In this video we are going to learn how to create simple splash screen using Jetpack Compose. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do, go in our build.gradle and add this implementation, sync your project, go back to main activity and start the coding part. So the first thing I'm using nav controller in here. So nav controller and use remember nav controller. The second thing using nav host, and in here we are going to pass the nav controller, and instead of passing graph I'm using start destination, so that start destination will have the route of the starting point. So I'm using splash screen for that route. Open the lambda expression, and within that you have to pass your composable. So for example your splash screen, and in there you have to give your composable name. So my second composable will be having route main screen. Okay, and in here we have our main screen, and in here we have our splash screen. Okay, on the bottom comp. So the first is main screen, and then after we have our splash screen. Okay, so I think my spelling is wrong. I'm using screen. Yes, now it is perfect. So the first I am going to design my main screen, because that main screen is not that complex. Of course splash screen is also not complex, but it is simple than our splash screen. So I'm using box, and after that I'm using modifier. So modifier fill max size, and then after I'm using some background color. So I'm using purple 200, and open that expression, and within that box I am going to use text, and the text will be simply a main screen. Then after we have to pass the style, we have text style for that, and if you want to pass any kind of color you should pass. I choose color black, and after that I'm using font size will be 28 sp. Import that sp. What the heck. Alright, so my sp is imported perfectly, and then after I am using modifier for our text. So modifier, and I am going to make it center. So alignment dot, I think my spelling is wrong, of course it is always. So alignment dot center, and make that separate table so that you can see very easily. Alright, so this is all for our main screen, and for our splash screen we are going to use animations. So for that scale, and I'm using remember block. So remember, import that remember and use animate table, and make sure that animate table will be having the initial value 0f, and then after you should use the androidx.compose.animation.core. So use this animatable. All right, then after we should use something which is launched effect, and the key one should be true. Remove this block, and instead using lambda expression. So the first thing we are going to use scale animate 2, and then after we have to pass our target value, and the target value would be 0.6f. all right, and then after you have to pass your animation spec. So for that I am using animation spec. That animation will be twin, and that twin, in that twin we have our duration millis. So make sure the duration millis will be 800, and then after you have easing. So in that easing, open the lambda expression and use overshoot interpolation, yes, interpolator, and pass the 4f to this interpolator, and then after get interpolation and pass it in here. All right, so this is for our animation, and then after you have to use some kind of delay. Okay, so that delay will be over in here, so use delay, and I think I'm using 100 delay. And after that I'm using my nav controller, so we have to pass nav controller in here so that we can navigate from this screen to our main screen. And make sure you should pass that nav controller in here. Perfect. Go to splash screen and using nav controller navigate, and instead of passing id we are using actually the route kind of thing, and the route will be main screen for our main part. Open the lambda expression, and in here we have to use pop up to. So this will basically pop up to which basically it will pop up to our splash screen so that we can see if we press back button. So make sure after using this pass the inclusive to be true. And I think we have to use animation, we have to use a text view, so that the text view should be animated when our splash screen will be visible. So for that I am using simple text, and the text will be splash screen. And we have modifier, so modifier, and we don't have any kind of padding, but instead of padding I should use scale. So use our scale which is on the top, pass value in here, and then after wrap this whole text with our box. So use modifier in here of course, and that modifier will having the max size, and I am going to pass some background color to it. The background color will be purple 700, and that text is belong to the box. Okay, so we have to exclude this box in our launch effect. Cut that code from your launch effect and paste it out of that launch effect, so it will basically not giving you any kind of error. And that's it. This is all we have to do in order to make the splash screen. So first I just run this application and show you how this application will look like. So I am running my application, and you can see the first screen would be a splash screen, and then after we are going to see our main screen. And if we press the back button, it will simply close our application. So this is a perfect behavior we want with splash screen. And this is all for our tutorial. So if you have any problem, you should write your problem into the comment box, and if you want to take the source code, you should check out the description. Over there I should give my GitHub repository link. Go there and take the source code, and make sure to subscribe the channel so that you are going to get regular updates what is going on into my channel. And that's all for this video, and we will meet in our next video. Okay, thank you.